mo maitsiweng a letsatsi la gompieno na mo presidente wa Garenkwa Local Football Association mena ke me Refilwe Mothobi re tlo go bua le ena maitsiwa a gompieno re lebella jalo ka go dikantorong tsa gagwe tsa tsamaiso gore e tsamaya ka tselentseng ja me Mothobi hey ra go leboga le wena o gatile mo ditlhakong tsa re matlule na o tsene mo ka pina ya Sedumedi le wena o tla ka pina ya Sedumedi dumela mme
dumela re mate
o siame president
a ke siame ke ra lona
ya no le nna ke siame ga ke itse gore tsenya ka 13 dawo yakho wa bona hanneng oro mabano le tsole ko o greeking
no like ya itlhalosa like mo situation e re le mo yona this leadership we need to bring him along because rona ele rena we can't.
Okay.
So that's why ke se ka re hatle mo a tsenele nna a tsie ntho ya hae tsela ya hae and then now will follow.
Hore a tsetsela hae gona le mathata kana yang o ra tsetsela hae e nena e tellang ko pele go diragalang
Hona mathata ke fela gore anketele pele in everything that I do I prefer him to be there. Let me follow behind him.
Oh okay.
Re siahlulega sithina ngongwethu.
Oh
inena a retelang pele gore in everything that we do whether it's going to be right or wrong ke na retelang pele and then o tla tsamantsa re guide.
Yeah no tshwantsa le guide la mothoka president gonne congress ya ntlaga ya khona o tsena hala khona go dira quorum bothata nnileng kwa ntle le go hala khona go dira quorum go tle yang gore le ska tsena congress
no congress ya ntlaga ya tsena ka ntla ya gore the members were not there. Members didn't come, we didn't form a quorum, so that was the only reason why congress is at tsena.
Nele saba inform president gore na le congress.
No, there's a process when we do Congress. Everything goes according to time. The notice, the date of Congress comes 90 days. So automatically we are saying the message 90 days before. Then there's a process after moho ya hore documents editswana komangi agenda irumela na komang. So the process, all the processes were done. So horela hore ha ke batlo be in a bad way.
No e be in a bad way khone e to thusa le bona next time or ba batla congress.
No what I'm trying to say ke gore mo Garenkwa we prefer the fields.
Hale ba tswira administration
ya re hlola. So that is the reasons why we don't form quorums. You call the workshops and no one comes is because of any we just want to go to the fields.
Okay. La tso congressing gona le se positive se le willing ga sona.
I would say we came out with something positively, even though the most important thing that we wanted to refete ka tsona of which the amendments the uniform rules, we couldn't do them because of still the quorum wasn't formed, but we had to the Congress was supposed to go on because it was a postponement. So once it's a postponement, we go on no matter what. But we can't discuss the amendments.
Oh, okay. Artsene mo go yona he. Let's go congressing wa tlhalosa gore ene le positive le fa ile gore na le tse di gala khona go dira. Ke eng se o ka reng go tshwara ka letsogo yana sa tshwarega sa utlwagalega gore no fa re dirile.
Okay, even though I'm still disappointed in the fact that we don't have uniform roles. We are working at uniform roles. It's a region of which sometimes they are hatella because of we are not at the level region. So it's a disappointment for me hore harakona go fitla go go di amendments harakona amend our constitution because of it's too silent according to the way re lebelang ka teng. But the positive part of it ke hore we were able to agree with the members who were there to change the name.
Yes.
Of which the reason for us changing the name, it's as simple as we need to be compliant. Our NPO is not compliant. It's the non-compliant. There are things we can do. At some point, we need to have sponsors, but without an NPO, those kind of things can never happen. So we are like running a tournament in J. It's an association which can do proper things because of non-compliance. That was our reason for changing the name, so that we can go social development, do a new NPO. Because I made some few if we are having a situation what's the way forward. So the advice they could give me, because of it's been long since the NPO is non-compliant, was for us to do a new NPO.
So President Lerana League ya Ga-Rankuwa le non-compliant on paper.
Yes.
President, ga le nahane di injury tse di ka tlelang batshameki ba hobala ka mo gare ga bena ya Ga-Rankuwa Local Football Association. E ka se a bad picture mo association.
And hence we sat down with the new executive and came up with this idea of changing the name so that we do the NPO and then we become compliant. Dwelling into what happened, Komoraho won't assist us going forward.
No. Hone ka stuse. Utlwa bua ka social development. La tswa ko teng go fitla ga ya nong process e tsa mako kae.
Okay, social development, I've made inquiries, and then we've already done the constitution according to the way by batlang ka teng. The only thing that was delaying us, we couldn't use the email ya Khalfa as the name has changed. So everything has to be because once we go with the Halfa and then we are saying it's Ga-Rankuwa Football Association, still we are contradicting ourselves.
Correct. Are go go yona eo he. I reconfirm, President. Ke Ga-Rankuwa Football Association kana e santsane e le Halfa.
No, it's Ga-Rankuwa Football Association.
Okay. Ha isa le Halfa.
Yeah, since ever since
mo Halfa.
Halfa completely so.
But President, ga le gone go emisa metshameko completely anong le dile ka administration re no ha re feditse ka administration re tla bua ka re gone ana ha re comply.
And then if I remember if we go back we tackled this naloena, and then I said it's difficult because of some of the decisions. I can't make those decisions alone and say we stop, we're not gonna go to the field. I hinted this.
I remember not ya hopola, but President re non-compliant gone ano are comply ga gona go re ka emisa ba gaetso because it's a yale bana ke risk gora go le tshameka ka risk gonne ha se mo ska dira ga ngwana a ba tsa letter no liki ga non-compliant a go di lawyering, then re mo mathateng.
No, but as much as I would say I can make that decision, but some of the things are beyond my control. Because what we should know, the council is the one with the most decisions. Now I can say I want to do this, but if they don't agree with me, there's nothing I can do. Me and the executive can say let's do this. But if the council doesn't agree, if we don't have the buy-in, then we just have to follow suit and see how can we remedy the situation.
Re buisana le mo president wa Ga-Rankuwa Football Association me Refilwe Mothobi re lebella jalo tsamaiso ile nteng ka kwano mo Ga-Rankuwa ya metshameko a kgwele a dinao. Ya no me Mothobi process di process tse buang ka tsona tsa go ya go bo social development o ka se dire le nosi sontse le nna se tlhopha ba le yang go e ka se nne wena fela. kwena le mang
or more on this, because of it allows 5 people to be in.
Yes.
Because I was thinking, if we go really 3, then anything happens, like Mamutobi or Roka, I'm gonna give ka the DP, Siska, ne? Then there's only 1. So I allowed if we can be 4 or 5, so that we renale balance.
Okay.
So on this, it's gonna be me, the president, the DP, the first DP, Mr. Mukoni, the second DP, Mem Siska, and then the treasurer, Memotap. So we are 4 on that. And then the only thing that delayed, I've got all the documents, everything. The only thing that delayed was for the graphics. We requested somebody to do the graphics for us in terms of the new info email, the proper one, and then lay our new letterhead, it changes so that when we go there, as much as I did, went there and do Kairadi findings, it's what is it that is needed. Then hake ya kwale with a proper into. And with regard to you saying I can't go alone. Yes, I can't do it alone, but if I've got the documents, it's everyone. One can go and do the process.
Mamutobi ga ke batle re tsenele thata ke re hona le dintwa khotsa yang lona le executive ya lona a re buena ya no ga o president re bua le wena o le an ordinary council member gona le kutlwano mo executive nya lena the exco, not council members, the exco le gata mo tselele nosi.
Yeah, now according to me, Rahata Mosileng Illinois. I don't know if there's any other thing. Now for now, what I know, Rahata, and I'm gonna say about me, now I'm 1%. They even know if it's not right, it's not right. If it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's left, it's left. It can be right. So I don't think we do have.
Mamutobi lenkopisa tlo mo garankua. Hayanong okay metshameko e tsweletse ya tshameka rena le mathata gore gona le ditlhopha tse 4 tse le di suspended Mamutobi o itseng ka seo
kana how tse 4 can you
okay go ya ka pegelo e ke tshwereng fa ga o tla tlhalosetsa ga ile gore e accurate go twe Tiger Boys ke stopper san tlasa bona suspension ne mara gore ba fitlhela di over di 3 re bua ka Tiger Boys ga re wika ka wena o le go Tiger Boys wa wena ke president ya association Garankua Aces GS Sporting Flying Hawks ka le tswa gore le tsona di suspendilwe ka ntla ya go setsa mae ka melawana ya league o itseng ka seo.
Okay, ke tlo simodla ka tse 3 because it's 2 different matters.
Okay.
Garankua ACC Flying Hawks GSSD. The suspension was due to non-payment of subscriptions. On our statutes, there's a clause 13, members' obligation.
Yeah.
Which 13.1.4, it says to pay their membership subscription. And then for the executive to reach this in turn, under 13.2, it says violation of the above mentioned obligation by any member may lead to sanction provided for this constitution.
Okay.
Yes, hence the executive took, because a lot of communication was done.
Yeah.
Sending letters reminding them of until the day when we suspend. And then bear in mind our suspension is not to chase away the teams. It's us pushing them into making the right things.
Mamutobi di tlhopha tse di tshameka ya mo leaking di sa madi affiliation a sa fela le di dumella yang le executive le
What I'm gonna, it goes back to that point where I said our constitution needs to be amended.
Okay.
Our constitution says the subscription, the payment is due in July. It's due July. It doesn't say when it starts or whatever. So it's been a norm that has been happening. And then for us to come to a point where we are saying, let's do things the right way. On our amendments, we do have that where we say membership payment affiliation, it's starting from this date until this date. It needs to go to the amendments, because the one that we are having now, it says it's due in July.
Okay. O tlhalositse tse tharo re setse ka setlhopha sa Tiger Boys ba re bana di walkover tse tharo.
Okay, yeah, Tiger Boys, I didn't want to explain it because somehow I am conflicted.
No. O le president ya Ga-Rankuwa Football Association.
Okay.
Ga re club re bua o leadership ya rona yana.
Okay, yeah, Tiger Boys Football Club.
Yeah.
What happened? The walkover zabona, they got them this way. The first walkover was when the ladies went to play the playoffs last year in November.
Yes.
Of which they were never given the competitions committee. Never hababafa king.
A replay to replay.
No, a day off for that. They just did a fixture knowingly so hore the team is playing the playoffs.
Setlhopha se ba rometse communication ko competitions committee gore rena ga re yo rea the playoff tsa setlhopha sa magharebe.
That one I'm not sure of, but with me as the president knowingly so, if it's in Tatemadia going to play go regioning aya the playoff as the association, this is our thing. They are representing Ga-Rankuwa Football Association.
Correct.
In my opinion, they don't need to send a letter. We as the association have to know who this is a team, we have to support them. They don't need, in my I'm talking about my opinion. So that was the first walkover.
It does your opinion. Melao ering on black and white on paper. It tlhalosa ka mokgo opinion ya it's a melao ya mo pampiri ke tsamaisana le opinion ya.
No, we don't have uniform rules, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have those.
Okay, ka mokgo le batla go change constitution.
Yeah, that is what we need to. Some of these things they should cover us in a grassroots. They recover to the level early moyon. And okay, from what I know, the second walkover, a player ya senior team o tlhokofaletse ke ngwana. Then there was a letter that was sent to competitions committee requesting a postponement.
Okay.
Nothing was done. It was silent. And that was the second walkover. Then the third walkover, apparently Tiger Boys didn't go. That was the week after the funeral thing. They didn't attend, so it rendered them 3 walkovers.
Okay.
So this matter was sent to us, the executive, to deal with. And then there's a resolution of which it will come through. But there's a resolution in that.
Mamuthobi liki go ya ka mokgwa ke lebeletseng fa 2025-2026 it's amaile tla round off. It's amaile 21 games. How do diragalang ka ditlhopha tse di suspendilweng? Gora gore go fedile ka tsona mo leaguing mo ngwageng wa 2025-2026.
No, he ke bolela ka tsa
suspended
suspension tsa affiliation. The two now they are now in Babuile. So this week they will be playing Flying Hawks and GSSD.
Okay.
So this week they will be playing.
So Ga-Rankuwa Aces,
there's nothing yet.
Okay, no.
But what's gonna be done is that like last week GSSD and Flying Hawks didn't play, so those games are going to be treated as walkovers. We are not going to play them again, so it means they forfeited those games last week. Then they are continuing.
Okay. Ona le potso fa Mamothobi is it accurate gore mangwe a maloko a leng ka go dikantorong tsa Ga-Rankuwa Football Association ba tle go sutisiwa mo di positioneng tsa bona o ba tle suspendiwa and if I le gore go ntse ya lo suspension ya bona e motivate again?
Okay, we have a suspension. I think the person who's asking because of maybe he or she knows something.
Ona le ba suspendile ba ba leng ka go dikantorong.
We have a suspension near the SG.
DSG or SG?
The SG.
Why le mo suspendile Mamothobi?
SG was suspended because of non-communication near high and he's been slowing down on Merekwa High as the SG, and then as we know, the SG is the core association. If the secretariat office is not working, then we are doomed.
Okay.
So we've been having issues of which at some point I tried to speak to him wanting to find out what's delaying him, what is the problem. So the suspension is there.
Okay. Potso engwe gape Mamothobi e tswa go o mongwe le go tsamaisa kgwela dinao le ena Motshwane a re who's declaring those games walk over, if I may ask the president? Ke ma declaring di game tsa Garta Tiger Boys di walk over?
Competitions committee.
Okay. I get a competitions committee Mamothobi. Go competitions committee ke mo mamba ba leng go competitions.
Okay, competitions committee, it's the secretariat, the executive secretariat, of which is the suspended SG, the DSG, Mr. Mavoe, and there's Mr. Berente, Mr. Manyaka, and the referees, Mr. Madombi, Mr. Molapo. Tate Molapo.
Okay, so ke bona ba tshwereng competitions committee ya rona mo Ga-Rankuwa. Okay. Hale le suspendile SG gona le gore a ka phila a suspension ya ga khoza le mo suspendile?
No, on the suspension letter I was saying or I refer the reasons why on all the stated accusations or and then are tlhalosetse. What happened this morning, he sent 2 letters wanting us to explain on why he doesn't do this and that, but then sends a second letter, resignation. So that renders that first letter null and void.
Okay. Gora harasana Secretary General mo Ga-Rankuwa Football Association.
I'm not going to say that because of so far we haven't acknowledged the resignation.
How? President, we
rumetse with immediate effect, but we haven't.
President, I get over letter. Letter as exco. Le acknowledge is highly efficient because high level go bua ka yona gore no SG we tukolotse.
Okay, no, let me not run around the bush then. The letter says with immediate effect he is resigning.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Potsengwe gape how were those teams summoned? Gona le ka mo process e dirilweng gore ditlhopha tse le go ne le suspended le ka mo go ba di summonileng ka teng gore e tlhagiseng mo pele ga council ya o kana esco kana competition se le tlhalose gore mabaka lona keng.
As I said, a lot of communications have been done. There are still teams say long hore they haven't done with the completion their affiliation, but because of communication, they've been doing communication. We could be lenient because of they communicated and stated their reasons. So meaning the teams which were suspended, they were quiet after all the correspondences that we made. They became silent. Hence, we had to take that decision.
President, we are almost nearing the end of the season. Affiliation. Okay, prize money Roberta Yang. Well, stop us young origin go play over Tokon prize money.
Remember, Harangu, I don't know when was this prize money thing cancelled, and of which is what the members now are. We go for the playoffs. We don't have even a stipend to start with. But bear in mind, I think some of these conversations we had where I hinted our affiliation is 2,000 for across
the division
across all the divisions, of which one team can have 7. The maximum is 7 teams.
Yeah.
Then with a maximum affiliation of 2,000, of which it renders the association like we are some of the things.
Hey, Mama Tobia gona gala mara gore di tlhopha banna di division tse tsotlhe ra go patela 2,000 for the division tse tsotlhe. Ladies wa ba ha itshwe mampele.
But at this situation, this is some of the things. Another thing happened where we can say we managed to get it right. The Congress, of which we proposed the fees. Unfortunately, I don't think I do have.
Okay.
More but what we did, there's gonna be affiliation for a team, of which it's about 700 to 800 if I'm not wrong. That's an affiliation for a team. Then we go to under 11. If you have under 11, you pay 300 for under 11.
Yeah.
Then we go to under 13. You pay, let's say it's 350 or 400. It's just that I'm not. I didn't.
You don't have all the facts.
No, I do have the facts, but it's just that I need to go in.
Okay. Hassan Zole mo president. Tsolo fellow molekwa bratsolo a butsisa more. Ka re Matthew Sempete games di etla Tiger Boys ke nngwe di tlhopha tse di takang phate ka kum. Ho a go dira galang ka Tiger Boys. Will Tiger Boys yona party ya Matthew Sempete games is at 2026.
Tiger Boys remember it's suspended. Go senior teaming.
Okay.
It's suspended to go senior teaming, not go all the divisions.
Oh, the suspension high cut across
it doesn't
go senior kamo. Okay.
It doesn't cut across senior team. And then let's bear in mind this suspension it's hence I said there's a resolution of which I feel as much as now I'm talking as the president, but I feel
no conflict.
It's conflicting me. Somebody who could. So now it's conflicting me. So we
recuse. Okay. No, who's the president? Mo go re tla go tlogela. Re confirmele le gore ha re comply re le Harangu Football Association. Agora o re totobaletse khaitseri ka di division tse rena le tsona mo gae. Kwa ntle ga senior team rena le ladies division rena re totobaletse tsona di division tse rena le tsona.
Our divisions rena under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17, under 19. Then there's ladies teams.
Ke tse kae Mamotobi?
For now we are still struggling kaka ladies teams. The confirmation I can make ladies teams now. It's Western.
Oh yeah.
Bragib.
Gripa.
And then there's TUT.
Okay.
There's Batau.
Oh yeah, Mamsiska.
Mamsiska. And there's GSSD. And there's Harangu Ladies.
Harangu Ladies Stars or
Harangu Ladies Stars. Remakudu.
Okay.
Even though like now those are the teams that I know of. Retlo banale the proper confirmations when Rising Stars, it's busy ka ladies.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ntate Melato. Luana I busy ka ladies, but the confirmation will be done when everything is. I think Mam Siska at this point is the relevant person to.
Yeah. Okay, now what ladies divisions.
Yeah.
Okay. Ditlhopha tsa rena go ra gore ko Matthews Pete Games di aya tsa Garankuwa FA.
Yes.
Okay. No, President, re tla tlogela mo re bia fela khoma o tla boa hape tsa jaaka ke na le go bona mo WhatsApp tsa mo jima hape ka mo information o boe information o tlela yona ka kono President e be go rape re si abisitse kopa gore President ga re dira our next conversation ga o tla ka kwano o tle le tso bua ko social development yana ke be na le PBO certificate sengwe le sengwe le tle
I that one ke sure gore it will be done,
please, because gona le sengwe se ke na le go se bua le bangwe ba ka Garankuwa FA gore go bonolo go ka irekisa ko di sponsoring o ra sponsora or no rona re Garankuwa FA re na le division tse di kana re na le media coverage ko Garankuwa FM go na le media coverage every Monday ba re bala di result tsa rona how le sponsor o batla gore sponsor your name will be called out or announced every Monday or Friday gona le station ba re ke SMU re na le Garankuwa Mail gona le letlakala le lengwe la Kasi Sports la ko Makau President ke a le kopa ba gaetso go tlogeng fa go ya go pele a re le keng go siamisa ke a kopa.
No, we are busy with it, and then that one we're gonna make sure hore I'm gonna shoot myself on the leg and say by end of this week,
please,
it will be done go
social development
day.
No ke tla o tlhola ke na le nomoro tsa go tsa mogala ke tla o tlhola go nga ka Friday ke President.
I'm gonna shoot myself on the leg and say by this week.
Lo khona ya President le suspendile bo SG ka.
No, we will manage. We will manage, even though now I have to be on the lookout or on who are we co-opting, and then hey.
Ke mathata ne. Khotsa o tla siama.
Go tla siama.
Okay, now tla Ramasedi kana o tsene ka pine o tsene ka yona reng
30 ndawo yakho.
Okay, no ke a tshepa
now I understand why 30 ndawo yakho.
Okay, no President ra le boga le mona go itla
go lebogile nna ke lebogile le baretsi ba Garankuwa FM.
Thank you.